Welcome to an introduction of the TZEAM tool. The tool comprises the two open group standards Archimate and TOGAF and offers some special features for model analyzation. The following presentation reveals how to create a new model. Secondly, it is shown how modeling is conducted. How to create a new model. The first step is to choose the modeling component, which is represented by a paper and pencil symbol. Afterwards, the Model tab must be chosen. A window with several options appears. Select New, which is illustrated by a blank paper. In the following dialog window, the model type, the name, and the model group must be chosen. The model group works like an explorer where the models are stored. Additionally, they can be sorted to different folders if wished. The last step for creating a new model is to press the Create button. An empty modeling area appears. How to model. The following model explanations are valid for each of the model types. The available elements do change, but the process stays the same. By selecting an element from the modeling toolbar, the empty modeling space can be filled. Instead of the standard cursor, a pen shows up in the modeling area. Place the object on a white space and repeat this until another element is chosen, or a right click changes the cursor to the normal mode again. Objects can be connected by using the provided relationships. A relationship must be selected in the modeling toolbar. Shift the cursor over the first element of the relationship and click on it. Afterwards, the cursor can be shifted to the second element, which is also chosen by a click. If the relationship is not allowed in the standard, a warning message appears. The notebook of an element is opened by a double click. Various adoptions can be conducted. The question mark symbol gives further information about the particular attribute. The name is customized by typing another text in the provided attribute field. Layer label and icon change the visual appearance of the element on the modeling area. Text box attributes can be customized by using the window icon on the right side. Attributes with the plus sign indicate a reference to another element. In this case, references to technology layer elements can be established. Select the technology layer model and the referenced element in the following dialog window. It is reasonable to save the model sometimes during modeling or at least before the tool is closed. If you are also interested in the analysis features of the TZEAM tool, there is a follow-up presentation.